Okay, so I want to do a quick tutorial on YouTube Shorts, and so I'm in Canva, and if you click on the create button you can find various things here, which is for Facebook posts, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnail. But if you look here, you can actually create YouTube Shorts. So with Canva, to create a YouTube short, you can put your own images here. You can use stock images from elements. You've got various already done huge little short videos that you can edit. So you just click on this one here, and it gives you the different elements. So you can do that. The next one. So basically drag and drop. You can move these around. Put that one first. Click on that image here, drag and drop. And the last one, and then drag and drop. So that is how easy it is to create a YouTube short with Canva. And then obviously these here are editable. So you can delete the text, put your own text in, for example, you can even alter the size. You could make that bold, shift the size down. You can choose different ways to animate the letters. For example, here the animate button brings up page animations, and so you can use different things here, which are like a party. See how it just like slots in there. You've got simple, just appears, rise, comes from the bottom, pan, comes in from the side. So you've got various options of bringing in the different text and images. There's that one. I think this one called slide, or let's see, what's this one? Sleek. Drift. Yes. So you can mess around, play about, have some fun, and basically pick something that you like, tumble for example, and edit these, put what you want into the text. And basically then you've got various options open to you here, and you can change the length of time for each video. I mean, this one says 4.9 seconds, so you can actually alter that. You can make that 6 seconds. So you can change the time, then you can preview the video. And it's as easy as that. And then I can find where I get back to there. Then basically all you need to do is press the share at the top of the screen in Canva, and that will give you a drop down list. So basically what you would do then is just press download, and this would download your video or your Canva short, YouTube short, and then what you would be able to do is upload it to your YouTube channel, where I will then show you how, once I've looked at and created my own, how you can actually add music over the top of this short video. So we'll see you on the next slot. Okay, so I showed you how to use Canva to use a template and then create a short video for YouTube. Now this is what I've done. So basically I've changed the background colour to light blue, brought in some text from over here and changed the words, and then what I did was I had a short, I think it was about 13 seconds long, a short video where I just basically imported that video. You go to uploads here, you upload your file, then you can import some short videos, which this one here is just 13 seconds long, and all it is me with me pointing upwards, pointing downwards, then pointing upwards. So what you do then is you then bring it over to the other section, and you can lengthen and shorten, which is easy to do. You just use these little bars at the side where you can lengthen and then you can shorten. So what you do is you upload the 13-second video to each slide, and then where you point up, you then have got this section here, which you can see that I point upwards. You put the text there. The next section you're pointing downwards, so you put the text at the bottom. The next section, pointing upwards again, put the text at the top. And it's as simple as that, guys, to create your YouTube short videos. So in this short section, what I'm wanting to show you here is that once you have then uploaded your short video to your channel, you click on the little pen icon, the details icon, and then you have the headline and the description of your video. But if you look down onto the left hand side, you can see editor. Now if you click on editor, what you do is you get your video along the bottom here, and if you want to, then you can add an audio by clicking on here. Then you can play different audios, different music, and add music to your short video with your text and you pointing in different directions. And so that is how you can then edit once you're inside of your YouTube channel. And this piece of content that you've created on Canva can be used over on TikTok, and also you can use it with Instagram Reels and Facebook. So creating these little short videos puts your information out there to lots of different channels, which I think is a great way of getting eyes on your affiliate links and getting traffic to your channels, if whatever you want to promote, website or a YouTube channel or whatever. It's basically a traffic generation method. So that's my short little how-to video for today. Hope you like it, and if you did, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye for now.